Ladies and gentlemen, we have another aerobatic, one of the best aerobatics in the world. His name is Mr. John Klatt, Air National Guard. Here he comes, coming down. There we go. This is John Klatt, everybody.
Yep. Nerd. Big Bang Theory.
No, wasn't he part of the fucking... No, he had to be. How are you gonna let him bring all that shit in here?
There it comes, guys.
He's moving, man. Look at him go.
Yeah, he's hauling. Look at him go. Oh, yeah.
John Klatt is one of the third best aerobatics planes in the world.
Hauling ass.
Well, it wouldn't be complete unless we had the Fence brothers. Yeah, they're gonna take your truck back. I'm on the way. We're leaving now. You get to the pick day? Take your keys. We're leaving right now.
I gotta get home. It's
4 years later, 3 kids he's coming out.
Look, they made a hot dog.
Looks like a taco almost.
Feel better?
Huh?
Huh?
What did you say? Speak
We're Canadian geese. Huh? Here at Airline. Gas pump.
Run.
Say goodbye.
We'll be back later.
John Klatt is being himself, being crazy.
Oh, you know why? You know what it was? You gave me the sunscreen. It was the plot. She was the plot. Right, look at it. If I tell him he's got a sunburn, he's going to get a spray oil. That's exactly. Whoa! No, we left the velvet throne. Raising the army now. Shush. Hey, what time the Bruins on tonight? That's right, Aaron. No, I'm just joking with these guys. We're all Bruins fans. We know. No game tonight.
Yeah, it's all about the Rangers now.
Yeah, go Rangers.
No PK, see that.
Get out of here, Uncle Dave.
Anybody from Montreal.
Hey, dude, we have his brother in the farm system, man. So he ain't doing shit. He ain't doing shit because he's already got a goalie ahead of him. And Tuca ain't quite going nowhere.
No, he ain't doing shit.
They're going to trade him. They'll trade him. He'll be with us.
No, he's taking this stuff.
No, I'm saying if and when he makes it up, if he's not going to go, now we got Johnson.
Look at him.
Yeah, he's fucking barrel rolling
They don't
like
need
hell.
another goalie. So they're going to get him. They're going to trade him.
Only the goalie, remember that?
Who?
Only the goalie.
So what do you think of John Klatt so far, guys? He's about to climb up again and do the same routine over and over.
Really? If I do what? You're going to get the
I'm at Rhode Island Air National Guard open house. It is a gorgeous day. And tomorrow I'm gonna be slipping in.
You're bleeding? Oh my God, he
I'm
is.
suing. I'm not
Suing everybody.
I'm bleeding like a stuck pig.
That means you could bleed out? We have to move the canopy real quick. Hey, don't check out my chair.
Is that a cooking
Sit
spice?
right.
Huh?
Sit right in my chair, seriously. I just bought that.
Damn.
Go get the other chair on the side of your car. Don't sit in line, stretch it out.
He's about to climb up again.
Sorry to be so rude, but that's how it is.
That's how we.
Bottom line.
How you are. Hurry up, let's get that parking spot. Where?
There he comes again.
We're gonna go park up there, Quality Inn on the other side of the highway.
Look at him go.
You swear you back up. There ain't no room to get out. There's not to move my chair. I ain't moving my damn chair.
No.
Oh, you are bleeding. Wow. Sorry.
I got a Band-Aid.
Yeah, go get it.
Where?
What'd you pull?
Underneath here, I'm fucking pretty good.
Oh shit.
No, he's joking. Oh, sure.
Bleed right here.
I'm on vacation.
John Klatt's about to do his. He's about to do what's called. I don't know what that is.
Keep looking.
Goddamn, you're my wife, Dad.
You tour like a couple of 2-year-olds. You went here.
Oh shit.
Can we have a moment of silence? Because I want to take a nap.
Okay. You do that.
We'll turn the truck on and get home. Sleep in there.
John Klatt is having a great time.
Look at him hauling ass. Look at that inside barrel inside.
Inside small loops.
He's going down again. He's going diving. He's diving.
See way out there? Hey, Slim. Way out there about 1 o'clock. Shady.
Shady?
Yeah, that's probably from over the pond into Chicago.
From Bundown.
Propeller's breaking the speed of sound. Yeah. Uh-oh.
Trouble. Daddy ever do it tonight? No. No? 2? 3? 4.
Holy shit.
Hey, Dave. Yes, sir. I'm retired. What day is it?
Sunday.
Huh?
Beer day. Cracking beer.
Why, what day is it? I don't know. I'm retired all day.
Maybe it's Monday.
Maybe
It's raining. He is going for. Whoa! Wow! Did you see that?
Free falling.
That must be a hot place for truck drivers.
That's the only day the landing is
Shut up, stupid kid.
John Klatt.
Turning back around.
Yeah.
Again. Look at that.
She lives in New York too.
Here comes John Klatt, everybody.
Going down.
How is he?
I need a look.
I got burn them all.
So they become the cops.
Oh man.
And ambulance. And look at my mirror and the ambulance was behind me. Ambulance, you heard
He ain't done yet.
Lunchtime. Over here.
Doritos.
Yeah, Paul.
Dorito chips. Yum yum.
Well, if you put a clip on it, it wouldn't happen.
Alright, guys, that was John Klatt's full
Because he heard I was bleeding.
aerobatics, or I think he might be doing a couple more stunts. I don't know. I think he might be landing.
Uh-oh, you're in trouble.
No, he is not done yet.
What? Thanks a lot. Go sit. Would you get these? One more. Go sit.
They go everywhere. Fireworks. They go up in the air. They go.
That was the end of John Klatt's routine, so let me see. Let me think. What do you guys think? I know we're far away from the inside of the air show. We're out in the parking lot tailgating, as you can tell, everybody.
Got you out of fight, your brother. Now you.
Oh.
Mama.